Sabre yenko kawadwen na ne kawadwen no if you fabe also grounds sense demonstration no guso me kokko nie nti ye kɔ ano no yemfa onsi yenko na ya brefo
abusia ya ma kwa baba kawadwen dubedie so Badwam dubedie me no ka say ye gina yoko economic and organized crime unit ni na say ye die sika demonstration na ye na nipa ofrase ye sika demonstration ye Captain Smart ye saka no ye bisa say den na de a demonstration ne ba ye kawadwen dubedie ne de brewo demonstration ye de ba ye
de ba ye ina ne say mini aba wo hwede we corruption esi kuye okrom ha emeburu nya djuma nye emakwo no wo mu ye kwan nye papa ye suku nya papa ekom de yen aden so be betra de be wie training college na otifie obewie university na otifie obewie nursing training college na otifie aden na kwabra ni timi
o ye djuma ho
me nya djuma ho na de say civil
I'm an anti-corruption campaigner. Now, me say Ghana for corruption at every the economy is too much, and it's time Ghanaians from their slumber to say enough is enough. So we're here to demonstrate that.
Yo, and no question was feeling answer me a Ghana ni. Me question ya my Ghana eko. Any send ya yenu ya no bre o man mu. Any se die basa eko so o man mu a. Na o se me ba na me beta captain achi na ya o ye bia no me ne eye.
Anything na kawadwe dwumade ne de bra kai say 2CTV Adaroma nye 2CTV nkwa Sara ana eye V Mecha Adaroma ana yade ebrewo na afa maka kire say for Springboard College ene nkolai enye adwuma wo mo esua de na atumi aboa mo da kire SPS ta Sara ana obekwa Winneba University na wo mo so atumi atete wo eye kawadwe dwumade ene de ebrewo empanifo ani abre ene yesi monte so ye ma wo mu ne yesika sa ede na ekoso
so de wo wini mu no ye Ghana yesika efisi enya independence 1992 abapem na ankofo de yesika nyina obi abema ne minister no wieska civil servant no wieska. This time around Captain Smart is leading the fort or say on primo obi afaga na sika nti enya bre one more digging a scan, yeah, this scanner.
Yeah, to us, one, Captain Smart, and Yanade Airco, and then what's evidence? Womukrabia, yes, we could be a day by no one who the Airco Swan in another Sakawadi Dumadia, and then yeah, Jessica demonstration, and the idea drew Yoke, now sweating.
And no present me, your friend kid to Stephen. Now, send me our mind Ghana. Sikadie basa ekoso obia ba no abeji sika no afa ne ho adi senia abusuafo ebre wo man mu no yesrem panimfo se ba bia sika hye biara no omunyi sika no maye ye hia sika ye mpe kasakasa bia ye ntokwa ye hia sika eye cool ye sika ne ye hia
ene apapa bi afrika ko wo se wo hwa kwa di my for ye o mu free ko besi na wo mu sika kwa kwa utumu se ibi kwa system no kwa hawo eti ha dwele wo mani
Jessica, me a Ghana niba. You are the one. Is that bread yet? And some of you, somebody for the Jessica, for Sabia. Oh, my father, what Jessica,
yo, Kawadi do my dear, yeah, the free, high street, yeah, drew Yoko, yeah, Yoko, quite a hold one, and some look do I who the aqua, and I'm a for any Ghana for, and said that one shot, Emma the aqua sweet aqua, it's 1 million musica. Now, I'm not any being ever. And then yɛbɛyɛ ɔsɛ bi a yɛde ma wɔn wie a na yoko for ya ma wɔn na dodo ɔsɛn na dodo ɔsɛn ne yɛde ma wɔn no wɔn nya ahyɛ me ehunu
sika one krata yɛde bɛ so nyinaa no sɛ wokani na bɔ ma ɛyɛ $1.2 billion eti ɛyɛ $1.2 billion ɛne krata egu kaa yi mu Ghana if you come and Kruma basis say yaka yɛ na yɛ 127.1 billion Ghana cedis sika nkrɔfo awi anko ano ɛyɛ 112.9 billion entin ka yɛ nika adentina yɛ deka yɛbɛyɛ kwanya loan police for bɛhyɛ atade a loan nurse for bɛdidi a loan yɛbɛhyɛ mpaboa loan aden there were gold, there were diamond, there were boxer, there were BBA. I don't know, you go for share. No, Mama catch and say, you need the documents in a more paper. Your mom just 78 hours, that's 3 days. Nipebi or involved, then they will invite them. Then you go for your demo, your Niji. You declare the crat, I be brown, so woman, and Rom, which Nipami and Sa, William Sigama General, and now, $890,000 just yesterday.
Report.
And Utino, sir, and Ranquano, $890,000. It means that the next 3 months, no, you go back to Jessica and Amae. Now, young Pinibio will lie.
Asa, and I pay the abode in Album was here and Pinibio lie. And idea, Ebabaso, Jessica, Sika was sitting out to Musa says, Cano. I idea say Yoko for to media Gagare and Neka, Yaneka grammar for Swabaso. Now, Quabrano to one pocket Scadia. Now, that in the Hifani Airco. That wafa. We are Juma. The Pachami Juma. We are Juma. The Pacho Cantamanto. You will be back anyway until the Esimonte, so until I may be say, then I'm out of Fua. Graniama and free abroche about Cantamanto, and I'm a Tommy Diniquanias and Tabuate. Nania, one from Crow and Semi Munise. Yet, your duty. I get 35,000 Ghana cedis per container. Now you bet Jessica do in a near the Sika way at a year or memo. Now be Jessica now didn't free one in a year in a man in a bush. This has to come. Last if him and Unti and a Majami Bronu. I'm a man back. Me Banama support sad demonstration way. Now I can't be a faso. Now Saka Yesicano as I say Saka. Now you're there, your money here. As I say, Yaniam Brepa or memo. But before bread, and I used to so bread, and not this kind of Ahima, say, oh, from the Nago Fiduku. Make it Juma, but made my feet German Bay. Me no mice for, me no Coca Cola, me no pot, me no Biala, me hydraulics. Oh, now, Papa, Mammy. Actually, yet many Namia Bohen, 1 minute of Pazi, Yana, Katumpa, oh, Namas, I see you, let's go. Now, who go school see Moyama, or do they ever talk about what's it? And see a better young there. Yes, you can watch, you know, one young actually, or Munia, or Wunia, and so one moment over here, Scabo man. Then you want your answer. Now, so you have a Hey, answer. Many Africa can't move and chame. First of all, I say corruption. A human rights issue. It's about human rights. Says here, obi to me, I collapse to Kolebu. I'm saying penny. Hospital bed at Tony saying few people at the top of the triangle. No, you are a sicker. I don't know your movie and I have bread. It's your papa and fortune. The most social way is just the beginning. Send a captain, you have to show Mufia, we identify them, we follow them to make sure if the state cannot fight for us, we fight for ourselves. They make sure, sir, it's not because of us. We don't care to show our faces. Me, a farmer, and I'm a computer analyst. But my sir, me Baba join demonstration, send we fight for the future of our children. Ghana deserves better. Yeah, that's it. Now, yeah, Captain Smart, and it's a young crat, and be a caba. One to buy, and this is my Yatin the Pavadia. Yeah, dear Sikabi, Yabrio, it's almost one here, the Akan, and I was on the Tajanras report. Emuna Captain Smart, you 73. Now you go for woman is our reporting. Woman is our reporting. One more time, Yabromo. No problem, wouldn't be at the Baba. Yeah, quite so on my Jessica.
Catch on, say, your brand is in the pipeline, They said the Bodio, yeah, Jessica. Bodio, yeah, Jessica. Bodio, catch us, is in the pipeline, your bread. It's in the pipe, and they said a pipe, they would some Impianity. Here is Sika.
Yeah, I said that.
Here, pa, me the link, Miss Okas, brand new home is me. But let me 8 o'clock meeting in the bank. But me jai, I'm packing my car. I'm sorry, I'm watching the DH. And here, pa, and you for no making sure say, Omunja will be behind.
Now, what Paco car meets here, Tessa. What be out on cast, the winning part to a cash wall. What Jenny in the what now did.
Because Ghana who here, Nana be so beyond wanting your way beyond, Ujani or your woman, boy, be no boy. Until yet, what had no beer on it more, but Yanga just say Baba boy, now will be a Sikako in Ubiano, Mensaka no minor, one district no et Miabaso.
No, let us say, yeah, Boabai, where now by way, and now by way, and away, air castle. Yeah, how can I say about Jessica? Yoko for any abre, yeah, almost so in Cratan, yeah, from our homo. Now, yeah, the mamma, one bet me. I just can't Eddie my yeah, crado, yeah, and Cratano Edeba, Yoko for any abre, a person for a one. Yeah, mobile home by ye pa, Bambody, the Eddie Cratan in any way, and Cratan crack up to any, and so Crabranimi, and Cratan dogs, or Jessica, and one Cratan dogs.
Any pension for Kutabi, Doc. Fadro Kutabi, Mimi Kutabi, Felix Kutabi, Ben Kutabi, Dr. Uku Kutabi, Honorable Sukuta documents in me. They say, some $1.2 billion now, I was Ankrata Imuno. You're Conquaji Adema. It's simple.
And today, Yoko Fire Crowd, one cameraman, Adom TV, and Adom Radio on the agents. Niako, Yoko for the Ombaka, now Cratan or Moja, and some of the Candia to us, any idea, Captain Smart, Crado, and Cratana ready. Yeah, they come a Yoko for, and in Cratan, the Palakuba Kunsia, and the crowd more 6, and the crowd more, and in the Pension, and then Crataneko, near a Quincy, or Metia Huajuma. Yama post for Abaso, Wamaya Juma, Papa, so many enemy career. Now, I'm going to be a Quaswa. Now, Oyene Bianto, Minim Sabia, a year request for it, Yana radio and TV so. One on the Rama Bibiana and Aquamobetia. So far, Bambot.
Oh, Bamboni, Mabom, whom I did Muni, Basabasa Yubiama, Regional Police Commander, Basabari man. As I repeat, crowd the third Deputy Commissioner of Police Adamas, Ewo Sebi, in Kitahua, the wedding Rasso, Adamas.
No, Tete, and Kitaho, and Rani Ediso, producer, Adom Radio, Captain Smart, Jason Sam, and the Fodro, Aquaba.
Yaudo.
You may be back as a Captain Smart and Kwan, you would not produce no. Then the Muhuya, what the father was so bad.
You want to say, radio Jumana Yano, and yes, I would radio so Kasakake. I just said radio, I did radio. This is Hayaba. I just said radio, Emma and Kofu say Ampa and Central Jumano, Adom Pempensobia and Kofu, everyone for swap. Now, who say, Waya Juma. And the other for boss by and Yabutan say, and your man in town. I had your mining and Crawford of Aquaticans, Edu Manisika. And Crawford, you may be a chance as on Yama or May. Now, so on Nam Wapaya Council. What Nam Quatica Council? What the Fracadam, Dream, Kankai, Proya. Edu Yao Mino. San Crawford, Yanu, any. Yasu, your coin shira may enjoy a town for. Minimum say, be our boy, our man, Cronubia before. And Tiania a bay for them on some for Antna. And in Tiadia say, if you and send it for us to buy and for us to buy. Yabaya investigations. Yabaya Krata. Yakoji baby wants to the Auditor General's report for the past 3 years. Investigations conducted by ourselves, that is Dawson Sam of Adom FM. And documents we sometimes even buy to expose people who unpatriotic to attitude and conduct are bleeding the nation and running us dry. And in an 2 years, and the professor Namuka say that Banko on Beton or yes, and any dumb Yasako calling to me. Ko Jandi Cope, a friends and Brissy, Yabo and Triso, Yasi and Dia, a man penny for special prosecutor Nebra. Aya Mahmoud Baomia Oka said, Aya corruption there, Anya misdemeanor bio. Abaya felony, 1st degree felony. Only Akunuba come with fish, do. na manfo e de ahia nyansa enu nti ya say ya je sika ne nim say yoko e won krata ya say de beboa e ma wetimi aje ya de beboa e ma ya je krata no enu nti no yoko ntan ya ba ye yesi oyoko yoko ya tawachi yoko ya ma aya na ediokono 90 days ya pesi enya entia bi fi wontan say enya if you don't hear anything from Yoko in 3 months there will be another gargantuan
Fadwa Yoko for naba etie the captain beka ne the Yoko for so beka ebra awon mo be presentation
Deputy Executive Director of Yoko, Mr. Enchi, on a babaji. If we are Namudi Pasa, be more for
Good morning, sir. Good morning, Captain. My name is Captain Smart. My name is Captain Smart. I am the morning show host of Adom FM. And there's a popular segment called Jason Badwam. And on this program, what we do is that we investigate stories about embezzlement, misappropriation, and misapplication, and we present. Today, we are here with my able supporters and all these demonstrators. We know that when you have the backing of the civil society, you'll be able to do something and do something meaningful for us. Our young guys are dying for lack of jobs. Mothers are dying. Fathers are running away from homes. Not because they are responsible, but it's because some people have taken our money, the money that belongs to us, the money that can be used to develop this country. I do not understand why every administration will have to go and borrow money before Ghana will be developed. Today, these documents contain embezzled amount of $1.2 billion US. I am presenting these documents to you and your outfit. The names are there. Please reinvestigate, arrest, and prosecute and take our monies for us. Thank you.
Thank you, Captain, and thank you. Now pick them. Yes.
The other documents, go. Bring yours. There's another one. There's another batch.
you bring them
There are several of them here.
don't worry thank you
Thank you.
Thank you, Captain, and thank you, your able lieutenants and colleagues. You've made a very touchy statement. The fact that civil society realizes the need to support investigative bodies in fights against crime.
yes you have a pediatrician
In fact, it is very, very cardinal. We will talk a lot about this when we meet the leadership in our conference room. For now, we want to welcome you. We've taken possession of the materials you've given us, and which could be a very good basis of inquiry and investigation. We can only assure you that we will do a very decent, diligent investigation.
Thank you.
In fact, you are equally assured that Yoko has the support of higher authority to push this agenda.
amen
And we will do just that.
thank you
Any other discussion will be held with your representatives when we go up. We are very grateful.
Entina enono nyinyane say what say apart from the fact say a captain edi enu kan no nyinyane say o mani abre say wo mu ho kwan aban ba wo kwan say wo mu nya djuma eduti na adjuma ne no no mbeyo no captain ayiri nie fia bokui ha ya wo tese wo bobo obo no ba me na we kan central for adjuma ne ayo na aye
mi beja mi kunu se de eja ye nyina ye nim se de papa Ghana na so no said there be a program be a friend Faber was so na sa Faber was so ye kire sika say yes no my Ghana see ye share enipa bebre or how amane ye hear quality education se say kuro ni mu enema bebre nko yi ne sent no hu se eha no enti ene wo se waboaboa Faber was so document e kire se nkrofo akipu sika wo mbotoma adwuma se so mo de ye no mo mfanye no wo so de bre iyokofo na yahwe kwan on be fa so a on betimi agisika na dia ye Ghana yi
yo enti de besi bia no ya ba mama one camera please they said one camera they said one camera it's okay it's okay it's okay camera oh yeah